2017 Honda Odyssey 8-passenger van, the EXL package. Pearl white paint, aluminum alloy wheels with good tires, tinted windows, pinstripes, rear bumper protector, power liftgate, stow and go third row seating, power sliding doors at the driver's control using these buttons or with the remote or just pulling the handle. Nice light tan leather interior, retractable rear window shades. All weather floor mats throughout, power windows, locks and mirrors, power driver's seat adjustments, lane departure warning, key, push button start, cool box, plenty of power inputs, auxiliary audio inputs, free 90-day trial Sirius XM satellite radio, triple automatic climate control, backup camera, hands-free Bluetooth steering wheel controls, auto headlights, just over 172,000 miles. And it's even got a sunroof. Y'all come and see us at U-Cars.